In today's video, we're going to show you how to fix low volume on your AirPods. So to do this, open settings and scroll in the bottom of the page and tap on system and locate build number. It's going to be under iPhone, about under iPhone, and tap on build number 7 times, after which you will see an alert congratulating you that you have unlocked developer mode. So go back to either the main settings or system page, look for developer options and tap on it. Scroll down and find disable absolute volume and turn the switch to the on position. So enable it. And yeah, that's pretty much it. That's how you enable the system, and your volume issues on your AirPods are now fixed. That is the easiest way to do so. So it's pretty much just developer options and then just disable absolute volume. So you could manually, tweak the volumes by yourself. And that's pretty much it. That's a video. Hope you liked it. Like, comment, share, subscribe, and that bell icon. We'll see you on the next one.